Oh, I think I found yours.
Is it up? Xmas special?
Oh, dude, it's not called Xmas special. Let me tell you that. It's just. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm in. There's a broom.
Is it Christmas?
Yeah, it's like a Aurora. There's boxes and stuff.
Wait, where are you?
People are just flinging boxes around.
Yes, you're the wrong one!
Oh my god. Ah, yes.
Oh, are you here?
Yeah, Santa's workshop.
Wait, where are you? I didn't...
Wait, I'm loading.
Okay. You're holy fuck, yes, you scared the shit out of me.
I like how the police were here.
Oh my god. Okay, so we've got... Okay, someone
Whoa,
blew
Jesus.
up this wall. We have a bottle of, is it Black Spaniels next to Santa's chair. I guess Santa was just whoa, 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 whoa. Did you see this elf just, I just stepped all over him. Then why is there TNT? Hang on, wait, Yasmin, there's notes. We could read people's notes.
Cool, I just have some kid that wants to play Box 180 and a Wi-Fi 732 But okay, you know, your letter's pretty interesting too. Dear Santa Claus,
Yasmin!
It was my birthday Friday. Mummy got me 23 presents and a soccer field cake. I hate her. I said you were better. I want 23 steak pies, 12 ice creams, 18 trays of reindeer chocolates, 3 big boxes of fudge, a Pair 5 computer with Conscription 3, Brown Ops, and a Nitrogenie go-kart. Stevie Chubbs.
He's being sued for $250,000.
Well, no wonder he's drinking. Oh, it's Santa's brother.
There's a brother?
Yeah, apparently he's in jail again. He needs bail money. He was caught whipping children in the streets. And,
What?
He's so bored apparently. Hope you send an elf with money soon. I do like elves. So fragile. Remember, you owe me one for that Russian mafia incident. Your brother, Krampus. How on earth are you finding all of the papers with all of this money stuff?
I don't know.
I've got these ones where people are like, Merry Christmas, I want all this stuff, thanks. From this, I can just tell that.
Oh.
Just want it, wait.
I can see what kind of a man Santa is.
Oh, Christ. What?
Well, where'd you go?
Wait, drop the doll, drop the doll.
Why?
What?
Where are you?
What? I died.
What?
Did I die? What?
Where are you?
I just lost feel of my body and then I got reborn.
What the fuck? Hang on, wait.
Don't do this. Where's the knife?
Okay.
Oh.
Yasmin!
Work.
How did you die?
I have no idea, I just went limp and I was a bit worried.
Oh my god.
Can I drink?
Okay, I think, Yasmin, we're supposed to actually start cleaning now.
Nah.
Because we got- Yasmin, what the fuck?
Oh, sorry! Sorry.
Yasmin, the dynamite!
Oh, okay. Alright.
What the fuck?
Oh,
I think I died,
so
because-
you don't throw the Molotov.
Hang on, wait,
Okay.
Yasmin, I think I died. Okay, I
I might
legitimately-
have died also.
Yasmin, why didn't you move from the fucking door?